Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening PowerPoint and picking a slide size like 16:9. This sets the canvas. Next, import brand assets, logos, fonts, color hex codes, so styles stay consistent. Create a title slide and a simple outline slide that lists your 3-6 main points. This gives structure. Once done, use the title and content layout for your first content slide and paste plain text first, not formatted. This helps you apply global styles cleanly and avoid manual fixes later. Now focus on the middle work. Populate content using Slide Master so headers, footers, and typography are uniform across slides. Insert visuals, images, icons, or charts, and compress images to about 150 ppi to reduce file size while preserving clarity. When adding bullets, keep each line to a single idea, around 6 to 8 words, and avoid overcrowding. Once slides are filled, apply simple transitions and minimal animations. They guide attention without distracting. Make sure diagrams are finished by rehearsing in slideshow with presenter view active so you see notes and timings. Practice aloud to smooth pacing. Then export a copy, PDF for distribution, or MP4 if you need a self-running video, using file export. Save a backup with fonts embedded if you used custom typefaces, or convert to PDF to lock layout. This prevents shifts on other machines. If something breaks, check linked media paths, reinsert missing fonts, and re-export. That usually resolves display and playback issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.